Here we are demonstrating how to control different PLC using the master PLC, that is master and slave control. So here two PLCs are shown here. This is called the master PLC and this is called the slave PLC in our exercise. Here in this experiment we are trying to run a motor. There is a DC motor using a sensor input. That means sensor is connected, see 3 wires of sensor is connected to the master PLC. So that means brown cable is connected to the 24 volts, blue cable is connected to 0. Then output of the sensor is connected to X0 here. So when sensor is on, it gives the input signal to the master PLC. Okay. After that, in the slave PLC, we have connected that is Y0. Y0 output we have connected to relay module, and through relay module we have connected to the DC motor, and DC motor operating voltage is 12 volts. For this we are using RPS here, which converts AC to DC. So this one is a 12 volts. This 12 volts is given to the relay contacts. This is what the wiring diagram. Now we are going to demonstrate the output. So we are going to operate the sensor. Sensor will give a metal target. This sensor is an inductive sensor. We'll give the metal target here. This is a metal target. When metal is sensed by the master PLC, motor is on. So here you can see the output of Y0 is on. So Y0 is connected to the motor with the help of 24 volts relay module. So it's running. And PLC program is written for the separately for master PLC as well as slave PLC.